Hello everyone, welcome back to the brand new series. In this series, we will be focusing on Vue.js. It's one of the lightweight framework when compared with other frameworks. Let's get started. In this video, we will be learning the Vue.js introduction and the setup. Make sure that you have knowledge on HTML, CSS and JavaScript before diving into Vue.js. We'll start with what actually a Vue.js is. Vue.js is a JavaScript framework used for creating user interfaces. Vue components can be reused anywhere in the application. And it's a very lightweight framework when compared with other frameworks. It also helps us to create the progressive web applications and the single page application. Here, many of you guys are not aware of what is progressive web application. So progressive web application looks like actual native application and it delivers the app-like experience in the browser. Actually, it uses the latest technologies available in the current market to deliver the app-like experiences in the browser. Just post your comments if you want me to take a video on progressive web application. Let's continue with the setup. In order to set up the Vue application, we have two options. Either we can use CDN URL given by the Vue team or the Vue CLI. It's a command line tool which takes care of the initial application setup. If you are planning to use Vue CLI, you should install the latest stable version of Node.js. I will add the Node.js link in the description, where you can use it to download the latest stable version. For installation of Vue CLI, simply execute the npm install-g at vue/cli. So now we know what is Vue.js and what we are supposed to do for the setup. We'll continue the setup in our machine with both of these options. Let's navigate to Visual Studio Code. Here we have two folders. One is to make use of CDN URL and another is for Vue CLI. To make the video simple, I have preloaded the HTML template. So, in index.html file, we have used the CDN URL given by the Vue team. In line number 18, we are declaring the new Vue instance with element and data properties and passing a message to the HTML element via data property. So in Vue.js, whenever we pass any values, that has to be done via data properties. Then the value of the element property is the ID of the HTML div tag. So based on this property, the value of the message will be replaced here. Let's open this index.html in the browser and see it in action. File is loading in the browser. Yes, here this is the text which was mentioned in the message property. Now we will continue the setup with Vue CLI. Before installing Vue CLI, make sure that your machine has Node.js. Just open command prompt and type node --version to check whether your machine has Node.js. If you don't have Node.js, just use the link mentioned in the video description. Now we will install the Vue CLI using npm install-g at vue/cli. We will pause the video until the installation process gets completed. So the installation process was completed. Now we will continue to create the application using this Vue CLI. To create Vue application, just enter Vue create hello world. Here hello world is the name of the application. Vue space create is the command of the Vue CLI. Vue team was maintaining a wonderful document on how to use this Vue CLI. We'll add the document link in the video description where you can make use of it. We are just selecting the default application setup. We will continue the video once the application is created. Yes, now the application was created successfully. We just navigate inside the application and serve it into the browser. To serve the application into the browser, just use npm run serve. This will start the development server in your local machine. Now the application was compiled successfully. We'll open the application in the browser. To view the application, just use localhost :8080. Yes, this is the application which was created using Vue CLI. We are at the end of this video. So far in this video, we learned what is Vue.js and done the initial application setup using CDN URL and the Vue CLI. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye.